Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you Chunk Fudge. Now, Chunk Fudge offered to send me some of their chunky fudge, and of course I said yes, because who doesn't love fudge? It's literally amazing. Now, I was not expecting this to be quite as heavy as it is. This weighs a lot. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is some weighty fudge. This is good quality fudge, you can tell already. So yeah, the packaging is already obviously beautiful. Love this design. So, Chunk Fudge sticker, and then we open it up and our fudgy goodness is inside. So, this is how they come to you. It's gorgeous. I picked 3 different flavours. S'mores, because who doesn't love s'mores? Mars, because when I was a kid I used to be obsessed with Mars bars. It was just, yeah. And tiramisu, because I love coffee. So yeah, these bars, oh my word, like, they are weighty. Like, that's a lot of fudge that you are getting there. Like, if you're like me, you can only eat like 1 piece of fudge at a time, so this is gonna last so long. And yeah, love the branding. Let's get these open, I suppose. Let's have a look at them. So we open it like this. I'm gonna keep the stickers so that I don't know which one's which, just in case I'm obvious. Which is which, so. Oh my word. You can't see it yet, but oh my word. Look at that. Oh my god. Look. Oh my word. Okay, so that's s'mores. Let's have a look at the Mars bar one. I don't want to write the stickers, but I might have to. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's have a look at how this one looks. Oh, there's some caramel and gooiness. This is even heavier than the other one. You can't look at that and say that that doesn't look incredible, because oh my word. Oh my word. So, tiramisu. Look at this one. Oh, I can smell the coffee. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my word. Does that not just look incredible? Oh my god. I'm lucky that I'm taking my dog for a long walk after this, because after trying this, it's done for me. So, let's get to the trying. I'm excited. Okay, so this is the s'mores one. I don't want to cut a great deal off, but I'm gonna have to. Oh my word. Look at that. Oh my word. Okay, on to the Mars. Oh, it's like it's got a Mars bar running through the entire bottom of it, with all the caramel on top as well. Oh my word. And then we have tiramisu. Please excuse me, my nail is just, nail varnish has just come off. Oh, it's so thick. Oh my word. Look at that. Stun. Okay, so now we are on to the testing. Put this up a little bit. Okay, so I've cut the slices that I had in half because I'm going to take them to my mum, so she can try them as well, because I know she loves fudge. So, let's try s'mores. Oh my word. That's so creamy, and it's got like the marshmallows in it as well. That is amazing. That's gorgeous. So, on to, what was next? The Mars. The Mars bar, as you can see, it's like got a Mars bar running through the entire bottom of it, and it's got all the caramel on the top. So, that is like the nougat from the inner of the Mars bar, the entire way through the fudge. That's amazing. How am I going to pick a favourite out of these? And then we move on to the tiramisu. Now this one. The coffee is really strong in this. I like that. It's so filling. Like, I've had a couple of bites out of each of those and I'm done for sweetness. They are amazing. Oh my word. They are so tasty. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. She's probably wanting to get involved with the tasting of the fudge. But, so yeah. They are genuinely the nicest tasting fudge I've ever tasted in my life. I'm not a fudge connoisseur or anything like that, but my word, they are beautiful. I also have a affiliate link down there if you want to go and check out Chunk Fudge, and a code for 10% off if you use the code. Okay, so the code is found on film. For some reason I said something completely different here. And your order over £18, you get 10% off. And yeah, enjoy Chunk Fudge because, my god, they're amazing. So a huge thumbs up from me, and a huge thank you to Chunk Fudge for sending these out to me. And yeah, gorgeous. I'll see you soon. Bye.